Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through the best 5 data annotation jobs to work from home. First, let us start with introduction. Imagine teaching a computer how to see or understand the world around it. That's where data annotation comes in. Think of it like teaching a child to identify objects. You point at a picture of a dog and you say, "That's a dog." Data annotation is the process of labeling or tagging data, like images, videos, text, or audio, so the computers can understand and learn from it. Here's a simple breakdown. Images. You might be able to draw boxes around cars in a photo, label people in a crowd, or identify different types of plants. For text, you could be asked to categorize news articles, identify spam emails, or label the sentiment of customer reviews into positive, negative, or neutral. When it comes to audio, you might transcribe speech, label speakers, or identify sounds like laughter or applause. Why is it important? Training AI. High quality annotated data is the fuel that powers artificial intelligence. It helps to improve accuracy. By providing accurate labels, you help AI models learn to make better predictions and decisions. Real-world applications. Data annotation plays a crucial role in many areas, including self-driving cars, medical imaging, facial recognition, and natural language processing. Essentially, data annotators are the unsung heroes who make it possible for AI to learn and revolutionize the world around us. Let's look at the pros. Data annotation offers a unique blend of flexibility and impact. Here are some of its key advantages. Flexibility and work-life balance. That's the first one. Remote work paradise. Many data annotation jobs are fully remote, offering you the freedom to work from anywhere with an internet connection. Flexible schedules. You get to enjoy the freedom to set your own hours and work around your personal commitments. Number 2, skill development and growth. You become an AI whisperer. You develop valuable skills in attention to detail, accuracy, and critical thinking, which is essential for the digital age. Then you have opportunity to gain in-demand expertise. As AI continues to revolutionize industries, data annotation skills are highly sought after. 3. Contributing to innovation. You'll be a part of something bigger. That is, you play a vital role in advancing cutting-edge technologies like self-driving cars, medical imaging, and personalized medicine. You get to shape the future. Your work directly contributes to the development of AI systems that will shape the future. Number 4, low barrier to entry. Accessible to many. Often requires minimal prior experience, making it an excellent entry point into the tech world. You learn as you go. Many projects provide on-the-job training and support. Number 5, financial rewards. Competitive pay. While pay can vary, many data annotation roles offer competitive compensation, especially for highly skilled annotators. You see, data annotation is more than just a job. It's an opportunity to contribute to the exciting world of AI and build a rewarding career. Data annotation offers exciting opportunities. It is not without its challenges. Some of the cons are: 1. Repetitive and monotonous. Let's be honest, labeling data can get repetitive. It can sometimes feel like you're stuck in a loop, performing the same task over and over again. 2. Eye strain and fatigue. Staring at screens for extended periods can lead to eye strain, headaches, and fatigue. 3. Maintaining focus. The repetitive nature of this work can make it difficult to stay focused and maintain consistency. 4. Potential for bias. Unconscious biases can creep into the annotation process, leading to skewed or inaccurate data. 5. Income fluctuations. Freelance work often comes with income fluctuations. Projects can be sporadic, and income may not always be consistent. These are potential cons, and their impact can vary greatly depending on the specific project. the individual, and the work environment. By being aware of these potential challenges and taking steps to mitigate them, such as taking breaks, maintaining a comfortable workspace, and practicing mindfulness, you can enhance your data annotation experience and ensure a more fulfilling and sustainable career. The best 5 annotation jobs are image annotation specialist, text annotation specialist, video annotation specialist, data cleaning specialist, and audio transcriptionist. Let's start with the first one, the image detective, that is image annotation specialists. You are like a digital Sherlock Holmes, meticulously labeling objects, people, and scenes in images for self-driving cars, facial recognition, and more. So you need to develop a keen eye for detail and practice your observation skills. Why is this job hot? AI is booming, and accurate image data is the fuel that makes it run. Number 2, the audio whisperer or audio transcriptionist. You are the master of deciphering the spoken word, transforming audio files, that is podcasts, interviews, and meetings, into accurate written words or text. So you need to hone your listening skills and invest in a good pair of noise-cancelling headphones. Why is it hot? From court proceedings to market research, the demand for accurate transcriptions is constantly growing. Number 3, the text wrangler or text annotation specialists. You are a linguistic magician, tagging and categorizing text data for sentiment analysis, topic classification, and more. So you need to brush up on your grammar and vocabulary and develop a keen eye for nuances in language. Why is it hard? Businesses rely on analyzing data, especially text data, to understand customer sentiment, improve products, and make informed decisions. 4, the video whisperer or video annotation specialist. You are a cinematic detective, labeling objects, actions, and events within videos for applications like surveillance, sports analysis, and self-driving cars. So you need to develop strong observational skills and a knack for identifying patterns. Why is it hard? With the rise of video content, the demand for skilled video annotators is skyrocketing. Number 5, the data cleaner, also known as data cleaning specialist. You are a data cleanup expert, identifying and correcting errors, inconsistencies, and missing values in data sets. So you need to develop a strong analytical and problem-solving skill. You need to be able to embrace a meticulous approach to work. Why is it hard? Clean and accurate data is essential for any organization, and skilled data cleaners are highly sought after. These are just a few of the exciting data annotation jobs available. The world of AI is constantly evolving, so stay curious and keep learning. I hope this list sparks your interest in the fascinating world of data annotation. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more interesting tips and tricks like this which you go up every day.